here's how you go and download songs and get them into RHYTHIA. So, step number one is you need to go and get the Discord server. So, I'm assuming everyone's already done this. If you haven't, you would just go here and type like RHYTHIA Discord server. I want to say it's the first one that's accurate. So you just go in here, and you want to make sure this is red. If this here is blue, then that's the wrong Discord server, and I won't be very happy. So make sure it's the red one, then blah blah blah, join it. Once you're in the Discord server, bloop, hey, you're in the RHYTHIA Discord server, as you can see. From here, you're going to see a whole bunch of things, and what you're going to want to focus on is the vetted maps and the map pack, vetted maps and maps. The difference, I believe, is that the vetted maps are like checked to be like safe and virus-free and good maps. Maps are normally not riddled with viruses. However, I like to stay on the safe side. I always just do the vetted maps. But there's going to be way more maps than vetted maps because it takes a lot of time to vet a map, apparently. So I'll just go and, for this example, use vetted maps. Map packs is just like a folder or an Excel spreadsheet or something that just has the information or the files of like 20, 30 maps. So vetted still just means checked to be safe. But if you want to just download like 55 maps, you could go here and download it and do all that stuff. That's what I'm here to teach you. So in my case, I'm going to do vetted maps. What you're going to want to do is find a map that looks good. Up here, you can specify. These are difficulties, insane up to illogical. Visual means that it's just made to look cool and you can't beat these. These are normally completely impossible. They go way off the grid, but they look really cool. That's what visual is. Tech, I think that just means there's gameplay that's kind of unusual, kind of like that. Jumps is when you just have, was when your mouse has to do a whole lot of jumps. And streams is when your mouse has to do a whole lot of streams. In my tutorial where I explained how to play RHYTHIA at first, I explained what that means. But now that you know this page, you're going to want to go click on whatever song you want. For me, I'll do whatever this one is. You click it, and then they'll have a whole bunch of stuff and blah, 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 blah. You're just going to want to go and find, or they hopefully posted, something that looks like this. Just a way to download a file. And so if you do this, you'll left click, and woo, you've downloaded the file. Okay, so after you have the file downloaded, you're just going to want to then open up RHYTHIA. Just do that real quick. Okay, so now that you're in RHYTHIA, you want to go to play, and then you want to go up here to import. Okay, and you're going to want to go click import. Then it will open up your files, and you're going to want to go to downloads, and you're going to want to select the map you just got. So in my case, I'm pretty sure I just downloaded this most recent one. I gotta scroll up a bit. This is the most recent one. You just want to go and double click this file, and you are done. Now you have the song into the game. So from there you can just press start, and I don't know if this song's gonna be super hard or what, but I'm now able to just go and play the song. So that is it. There's no other steps. You just have to download the file, find the file, press import within RHYTHIA, and double click the file to open. I will say there's a slight chance it won't work if it's the wrong file type. That's because there are currently two different versions of RHYTHIA. One of them is the Steam version, where you have to go and spend money, and it's from a developer that left the team, which is the bad one. And I want to say the file type that is used for those songs is like RVH or RHO or something. That's the wrong file type. So if it doesn't work for some reason, there's a chance that. Also, some songs that you download, maybe, I don't know, they typed in a constant wrong and then it doesn't work. So there's some exceptions that will make the songs not work, but for most all vetted maps and vetted map packs, you can just select the song and it works. If you want to go and select multiple, you can just shift click and highlight all the songs that you want, press open, and then it'll throw like how many you selected into your songs. And that's about it. So I hope that you all learned a whole lot from this tutorial. Hope you can get to playing some RHYTHIA. Super fun game. If there's any other tutorials you want me to make, please let me know, because I'm out of video ideas now, which is not good for me. So thank you so much. Hope you have an awesome day.